Allanna here. Welcome to my channel if you are new, where I do fashion and lifestyle content. Welcome back if you are not new. Today's video is a very much summer related video in terms of summer fashion, because I'm going to be showing you guys 5 super unique and easy ways to style your tank tops, because obviously summertime calls for tank tops. Tank tops are the #1 worn piece during summertime because it's just so easy and easy to throw on, and it keeps you cool. But I'm about to show you 5 ways that you can spice them up in your outfits and make your outfits just that much cuter and more unique. And these ways, I know you guys will absolutely love it because they're so easy to incorporate into your outfits. And I also wanted to say that I have done this video before on my channel. I did this last summer actually, and that video got so much attention and a lot of you guys absolutely loved it, which is why I thought it would be a perfect time to show you guys even newer ways that I have found to style my tank tops. I've since then found new ways that I absolutely love wearing my tank tops, so I'm about to show you guys right now. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started with the video. Alright, I'm about to start these off with the very first one, which was going to be my absolute #1 go-to way of styling and wearing my tank tops, and this way was actually included in my video that I did last time on these tank tops, and it is going to be layering necklines underneath the tank top. This, I cannot tell you enough, is the absolute easiest way you can make your tank top stand out so much in your outfit. Necklines and using different contrasting necklines to your advantage is a huge like underappreciated thing that people can do with their outfits. And if you truly are into trying to spice up your outfits and get a little bit more into styling and fashion, I highly recommend this way. It's so simple but yet so well put together. Like, you don't even have to put in any effort, but it looks so nice. My absolute favorite way of wearing this style is wearing a sleeveless turtleneck, because a turtleneck has a very high neckline, and then wearing a tank top that has a V neckline. And this looks amazing, especially if your tank top is patterned and very bold and out there, and then you wear a solid colored top underneath that complements the pattern, or a contrasting color, and I promise you this look will look amazing. Moving on to the second way to wear your tank top. This is going to be a fairly new trend, and I don't see this quite too often because I feel like this one definitely is a more bold and out there one. I'm going to call this one the blazer tank. So this is going to be the opposite of the first one, where we layered something underneath. This one is specifically going to do for my girls out there who love wearing blazers. Blazers have made a comeback into fashion, and they are a huge fashion piece right now. I'm seeing people style them so many different ways, but like I said, this is going to include a blazer. You are going to wear your blazer, maybe you can wear it unbuttoned, buttoned up, however you prefer. And we are actually going to style a tank top on top of the blazer. I know that sounds absolutely crazy, but it is actually a nice way to also contrast some necklines and add some shape to the blazer, oddly enough. Like I said, this is a very bold and out there look, and if you are comfortable enough to wear it, I think this is such a bold statement, and props to you if you pull this one off. I love this, and this looks amazing with some biker shorts underneath the blazer. It is a very classy but yet modern style, and I've seen it a whole lot in a lot of the Parisian sort of styles that I see a lot right now, especially on Instagram. Alright, so obviously we wear tank tops to stay cool, and we don't want to be hot or sweaty or anything. So this third way is going to be a very fun way, and it gives me some sort of like music festival vibes to it, which music festivals happen during summer, at least, well, not right now due to the current situation going on in the world, but for those of you who love wearing a mesh, the third way is going to be a layered mesh tank top. So take any cropped tank top that you have, and you can layer a see-through sheer or sort of top like that on top of it. I personally love going for this mesh cropped hoodie that I have. Obviously, it's meant to have something worn underneath it, so I take that opportunity to style a tank top underneath it, and even maybe like a pop of color. Tank top underneath would go great, but this is definitely, I say that's a very like music festival look, because a lot of times people choose very mesh see-through clothing pieces when they go to music festivals or concerts because again, it's just functional and helps keep you cool. Alright, so some of you watching this may have that dress in your closet that maybe you want to find a way to spice up a bit, or has that neckline that you're maybe not so comfortable with, or you just, like I said, just want to spice it up. Now we're going to go ahead and style a tank top on top of the dress because this gives you a whole new outfit that you did not even think you had in your closet. A lot of times people will think that you can only wear the dress by itself and don't really want to style anything underneath or on top, but you can turn that dress into a skirt very easily by just putting a tank top on top of it. And even if that dress is maybe a loose, like flowy dress and doesn't really have much shape to it, you can very much easily put a fitted tank top on top of it to make that, like the bottom half of the dress, like flare out a bit because the top half will be nice and fitted and flattering to your figure. So have fun with this one. I love styling things on top of dresses. As you can see, like right now, this is actually a dress that I'm wearing and then I have a button down on top of it. Now, since we're on the subject of button downs, we're going to move on to our fifth and final way of wearing a tank top, and it is going to have to do with, yes, you guessed it, some button downs. We are going to take a button down and you're going to wear it exactly like how I am right now, actually. For example, you're going to take a tank top, and I love taking specifically patterned tank tops, like a very bold pattern, and then wear a solid color button down on top of it. I know a lot of people are loving to wear button downs right now, but wearing it in a more modern way of like tying it up or leaving it open. So I think having a patterned tank top underneath the button down to accent it and give it a little pop of color in your outfit is an amazing but subtle way of spicing up that button down. Maybe if you want to keep your outfits a little bit more subtle but add a little pop of interest in there, this is the perfect way to spice up your button downs. That is going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and these are definitely some very simple but yet fun and effective ways to style your tank tops, to spice up those outfits and have fun with them for summertime, especially since I know it can be hard to have cute outfits during summer because, let's just face it, we all in summertime probably just want to dress to keep cool and don't really care so much about looking cute. We just don't want to be sweating over here and glowing and everything. But these ways, I promise you, will make it so much easier for you to spice up your tank tops if that is what you're looking to do. But also, be sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below maybe any other way I forgot to include in this video. If we can share these ideas down in the comments, help each other out here with staying fashionable during summertime. But subscribe if you like this sort of content and turn on my post notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. Also, follow me on Instagram if you would like some more fashion and my daily life content at Allanna_Cuellar. I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.